Hi, welcome to the Blanton's Art Where You Are studio. I'm Monique O'Neil, museum educator for family and community programs. Today we're going to make a work of art inspired by artist Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi Kusama is a Japanese contemporary artist whose works span a variety of media, from painting, sculpture, drawing, and immersive installations. Though most well known for her repeated dot patterns, Kusama began painting Infinity Nets, the artist's longest-running series, after moving to New York City in 1958 from Japan. These abstract works, like this painting in the Blanton's permanent collection titled Nets, K.L.M, are made up of thoughtfully repeated swirling arcs of paint, fanning out into one larger pattern, covering the entire surface. The paintings have been described by Kusama herself as without beginning, end, or center. To make your work, you'll need the following items: canvas, paper towel, a water dish, palette paper, paintbrush, standard and heavy body acrylic paint, one color each. To create your artwork inspired by Yayoi Kusama's repetitive painting practice, you'll want to start off by first covering your entire canvas with a base coat of color. This will be the color that's going to peek through your later painted top design. Choose a brighter color for the base coat to provide a high contrast for the second step of painting. A little artist tip: the further away from each other two colors are on the color wheel, the higher the contrast. Once the bottom color is dry, take your second paint color and squeeze some out on your palette paper. I'm using heavy body acrylic paint for my top layer to help achieve that thick texture quality. I'm going to be liberal with the amount of paint I get on my brush as I push it around on the palette paper. I want the bristles to be generously covered so they leave a thick brush stroke behind. There isn't one specific technique Kusama used when painting her Infinity Nets, so in this video, we're exploring the brushstroke seen in our featured artwork. Painting an arc or half circle shape is my first mark on the canvas. I encourage you to try different visual solutions when making your original artwork, broadening your creative response to repetitive yet random gestures that you're inspired by in your environment, like the lines that make up the shape of a leaf or pattern on a pillow. I'm going to scoop a little more paint on my brush to continue making the same gesture right next to the previous mark made, so they sit tightly next to one another. I also want to paint my mark a little bit off the edge just slightly, creating a covering over the canvas. I'm going to continue making these gestural marks on my canvas, repeating them, paying close attention to how each connects and flows into the other, leaving just a peak of yellow showing through the small openings left behind. This repetitive mark making can be very meditative, so allow yourself to fall into a rhythm and pace that's not so rushed. As you paint, your marks will curve in the same direction, but you can gradually rotate your canvas, creating an unpredictable placement and movement in your brushstrokes, like a wave rippling across in an unorganized direction. In the end, your pattern will show a design that appears accidental and hypnotic. And there you are, your very own Yayoi Kusama inspired work of art. What will you choose to title your painting? If you'd like to share what you made today with the Blanton, tag us with @Blanton Museum and use #ArtWhereYouAre. I hope you enjoyed making today with the Blanton's Art Where You Are studio. If you'd like to learn more about the artist and work of art featured today, please click on the link below and find our list of resources. You can stay up to date with the Blanton by joining our e-news list at blantonmuseum.org/subscribe, and find more activities and resources to Museum from Home at blantonmuseum.org/museumfromhome.